In this video, we are going to practice SQL injection with SQLMAP with a free room on Try Hack Me. You can find this room by going to the Learn tab and search for SQLMAP. The room focuses on SQLMAP and a little bit of directory busting. I am using a tag box to attack this box, so open the browser and browse to the IP address. And you can see that we have Nginx web server default page. So the first question provides us the hint that we first of all have to do directory busting. So open a new terminal and we are going to use GoBuster to find hidden directories. Use the command as shown on the screen. We are using seclist to brute force it. And we have found a hidden directory called blood. So open the browser and browse to the directory. And we have a new page. Here we can select any blood group and search for donors. Now let's do SQL injection on this form with the SQLMAP. Just turn on the Foxy Proxy, switch Foxy Proxy to burp and fire up burp suite. Create a new project. Go to the Proxy tab and turn the intercept on. Now select any blood group and click on search. The request will be intercepted in burp. Now right click the request and save it in a file. Give it a name request.txt and save it. Now open the terminal and let's just use SQLMAP to check for SQL vulnerabilities. If you cat out the request, you can see that we have successfully captured the request. Now fire up SQLMAP with the command SQLMAP-r request.txt-dbs to enumerate the databases. And SQLMAP will test the parameters and try to find the databases. So SQLMAP has found blood group to be vulnerable, and it has successfully listed on the databases. Now let's just list down the tables of the blood database. And we have 3 tables, including a flag table and a users table. Let's first find the flag. You can use the flag -t and specify the table. And we have the contents of the flag table. Similarly, we can dump the users. Just specify the users table and select to dump it. And we get all users information. So in this manner, we can use SQLMAP to perform SQL injection attacks on a website.